Changing someone's mind is about as hard as changing your own mind. It usually takes a long period of time. But if you learn how to make persuasive arguments, you'll have a higher chance of convincing someone to agree with you. Here's how you can change minds with these simple techniques of persuasion. 1. Earn trust. If your values and actions align, people are more likely to respect your point of view and consider agreeing with it. Point to examples of how you've been consistent in what you've said and believed in the past. 2. Cite a higher authority. People can be influenced by someone who's nationally recognized or respected. Referring to a likable figure that agrees with you can make someone more open to considering your point. 3. When in doubt, bribe. Offer to give something if your point of view ever proves to be wrong. For example, you can say you'll support someone's position or idea if your idea doesn't work. Or you can agree to give a consultation prize such as buying dinner or paying for lunch. People will be more open to giving your idea a shot if they know there's something more in it for them. 4. Make people feel like it's their idea. Nobody likes to be told anything. People tend to change their minds when they reach the conclusion you want them to reach on their own. You can do this by getting them to think about why they may want to change their mind or behavior. A tactic that often works is asking them to actively list the pros and cons of changing their mind or behavior. This tactic will influence them to realize the need for change and to take action on their own. 5. Compliment them. When you question a person's beliefs, it feels like you're questioning their judgment, their intelligence, and their whole identity. It almost feels like an insult if you think about it. But you can get around this by complimenting them on the part of their views that you agree with, according to Psychology Today. This affirmation makes it more likely for someone to consider your perspective. 6. Use unique language. Pay attention to your vocabulary when forming an argument and look to make it different than that of your opponents. In a study done at Cornell University, scientists who studied the Change My View forum on Reddit found that more persuasive arguments use words that are different from the original person's language. 7. Speak quickly. It can actually be more persuasive to speak more quickly. A fast pace doesn't allow the person to have time to think critically about your arguments. So much of changing someone's mind is about the way you position your questions or statements. How you deliver your message can make someone more receptive to hearing you out. 8. Appeal to what they value. Convincing someone to agree with you requires appealing to what they value. For example, let's say you want to convince someone to support a position to fix potholes in the road. If one of their values is safety, you can tell them fixing the potholes will make it safer for driving on the roads. Then you've got the person's attention and potentially someone who will start agreeing with you. Try these tips out and let us know if you change someone's mind. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. For more videos, click subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching. This is Top Tips, tipping you off.